How to enable voice chat on Roblox. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable voice chat on Roblox. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. First thing first, open up any web browser you have and then search for roblox.com, or if you're using the app, that's alright as well. You'll have to find this gear icon to head over to your settings, or if you don't see it here, you can click here and find settings here. So just click on settings, and then once you land on your settings page, you just want to head over to privacy and content maturity. And if you have the voice chat option available here, you just want to click on it. Now, once you have enabled the voice chat, you can just go back and join an experience to see if the voice chat is working. But if it's not, then what you can do is head over to your settings and then click on account info. Now, if you have verified your phone number for the voice chat, then you have to make sure that the phone number is the same and it's still verified. And if there are other methods like verifying your age using an ID, then you just have to make sure that your birth date has not been changed as well. So once you have done that, you could just go ahead and make sure that all of this information that you used to verify for voice chat are correct. So all you have to do is just log out again and log back in. Then you should be able to join the voice chat. If it's still not working, then head over to privacy and content maturity and then tap on experience. Now click on experience chat, make sure that it's set to everyone, go back and then click on party. Make sure that it's set to friends or everyone as well. And on camera input, if you want, you could just allow it. This will also help you get the voice chat. So once you have done that, just completely close the app and then restart it again, and you should be able to use the voice chat in Roblox. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.